Closed doors, I'm a fool for your love. Behind closed doors, I'm a fool for your love.
So these are the eggs of a butterfly. First stage. There are 4 stages of a life cycle of a butterfly. So that's 3 to 7 days, the eggs will hatch and they will become caterpillar. So this is a second stage. Initially, caterpillars are very small and light. So they grow fast feeding on the leaves. In 2 weeks, they will become an adult caterpillar. Now their size is around 2 inches. And since the caterpillar of a butterfly is harmless, so you may touch them, sir. So the pupa, in 10 to 15 days, they will hatch and they will become butterfly. Okay, so in 10 to 15 days, the butterfly will come out from its casing, but they cannot fly yet because their wings is still wet. So we're going to wait for an hour to make their wings dried and hardened. So the dark pupas are already damaged because out of 100%, only 10 to 20% will survive. Do you know the difference between moth and butterflies? Okay, so moth is nocturnal or it only fly during nighttime, while butterfly fly during daytime. And this is the biggest butterfly in Bohol, so this is the female and this is the male. Okay, so a female is much bigger and more colorful than the male. So we can see here a different butterfly species. So just like humans, they start their day by finding food, and they also have courtship. So during courtship, the female butterfly will release pheromones or scents to attract male butterflies. So even if the male butterfly is 1 to 2 kilometers away from the female, they can still smell it. Once the female butterfly finds her mate, of course mating will follow. Okay, so 6 to 12 hours, sir. In some species, their mating will last in 24 hours or 1 day. And after mating, the male butterfly will look for another female butterfly. 2 strategies that butterfly use in laying their eggs. First, in a clusters, or it may in a scattered manner. hadlok.